Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center.
Reinstating retired inventory has 3 basic steps. Look up the item that was previously retired, set the new status, and click Reinstate. It's that easy. Let's see an example. In this example, we'll look up a grinder that was accidentally sold. Type in the item ID for the grinder, then click Look Up on the toolbar. When the information is displayed, set the new status at the bottom left to In Stock, then click Reinstate. We can now look up the grinder under Serialized Inventory, and we'll see that it's in stock, ready to go, and back in inventory.
Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center.